Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pineapple kombucha at home. First, you'll need to brew a batch of sweet tea using about 1 cup of sugar per gallon of water. Let it cool to room temperature before adding your SCOBY and a cup or 2 of starter liquid. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and let it ferment for 7 to 10 days, or until it reaches your desired tartness. Once your first fermentation is complete, it's time to prepare for flavoring. You'll want to chop or blend about 1 to 2 cups of fresh pineapple. Carefully remove your SCOBY and set it aside with some starter liquid for your next batch. Then, strain the plain kombucha into clean, airtight bottles, leaving about 1.5 inches of headspace in each. Now for the exciting part, adding the pineapple. Distribute your fresh pineapple evenly among the bottles. Seal them tightly to kickstart the second fermentation, which creates that wonderful fizz. Let them sit at room temperature for another 2 to 4 days. You can gently burp a bottle after 2 days to check for carbonation and release any excess pressure. After the second fermentation, move your pineapple kombucha to the refrigerator. Chilling it not only stops the fermentation process, but also significantly improves the flavor and fizziness. Your delicious, homemade pineapple kombucha is now ready to enjoy. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to several weeks, offering a refreshing and healthy drink whenever you like.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.